Are you looking for an automated redaction solution that actually protects sensitive information from thousands of emails, PDFs, and scanned documents? Check out CaseGuard. CaseGuard is an AI-powered redaction software that keeps you compliant with FOIA, HIPAA, FERPA, GDPR, and all other privacy laws 85% faster. Import scanned or electronic PDFs, Word documents, emails, or any other document type into CaseGuard and let the AI detect and redact 33 categories of PII like names, phone numbers, driver's license numbers, and so much more in 12 different languages and with 98% accuracy. Search for specific words or phrases using Find and Redact and create lists of keywords your agency needs hidden to keep people safe. Create and apply predefined templates to quickly redact standardized reports. Add dynamic tags, apply bait stamping, or add watermarks to your files to fit your use case. And avoid overwork by organizing your documents by deleting unnecessary pages or extracting specific ones to create a whole new file. If you have a backlog of FOIA requests, legal case files, or medical documents, CaseGuard's automated bulk processing allows you to quickly process as many files as you need. Customize what you want to find and redact, apply templates and presets, and even be able to schedule when you want bulk processing to run. When entire inboxes with hundreds or thousands of emails are requested, CaseGuard is the right tool to redact them. The built-in PST converter gives you unparalleled control over your email redaction requests. Filter by several categories and ignore duplicate emails. Choose to extract attachments from imported emails, import said duplicate emails or their attachments, or even add page numbers. So no matter what industry you represent, CaseGuard has helped thousands of organizations stay compliant in a fraction of the time. See it in action by booking a demo at caseguard.com today.